Have you ever bought a brand new smartphone only to regret it a few weeks later? You're not alone. Every year, millions of people spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars on phones they don't actually need. They get distracted by flashy marketing, influencer hype, and impressive looking specs that barely matter in everyday use. In today's video, I'm going to show you the biggest mistakes people make before buying a smartphone in 2026. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look for and what to avoid so you don't waste your money. Let's get started.
A 200 megapixel camera sounds amazing. But here's the truth. Megapixels are only one small part of image quality. A phone with a better sensor, stronger image processing, and optical stabilization can easily outperform another phone with more megapixels. Instead of focusing on numbers, watch real camera comparisons and look at actual sample photos.
The processor is the brain of your phone. A powerful chip affects gaming, photography, multitasking, battery life, and overall speed. A phone with a slightly lower resolution display but a much faster processor will usually provide a better experience than one with flashy specifications and a weak chipset. Many people only compare hardware, but software support is just as important. Phones that receive regular security patches and Android updates stay safer, smoother, and useful for years. Before buying, always check how many years of software support the manufacturer promises. This mistake becomes obvious after only a few months. Photos, videos, games, and apps quickly fill your storage. Running out of space slows your phone and creates unnecessary frustration. If possible, choose at least 256 gigabytes if you plan to keep the phone for several years. Battery capacity isn't everything. A phone with excellent software optimization can easily last longer than another phone with a much larger battery. Look for battery drain tests instead of trusting battery size alone.
Some reviews are genuine. Others are sponsored. Some focus only on benchmark scores instead of real-world experience. Always compare reviews from multiple trusted sources before making a decision. Ask yourself, do you actually need satellite communication? Do you need professional video recording? Do you need AI features you'll rarely open? Many buyers spend hundreds of extra dollars for features they never touch. Buy according to your needs, not the marketing. Prices change constantly. A phone that costs $999 today might sell for $799 just a month later. Take a little time to compare prices across retailers and seasonal sales. Patience can save you a significant amount of money.
Buying the right smartphone isn't about choosing the most expensive model. It's about choosing the phone that fits your budget, your lifestyle, and your daily needs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe to CellphoneStore24 Tech, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest smartphone reviews, buying guides, and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.